What's your name? Where are you? And why are you here?
My name is Brandon. I'm at Z1 Motorsport, and I'm here because I won the car. It's a giveaway 370Z. Wow. That's crazy. Unbelievable. Crazy to even know I won this. Wow. This is crazy.
Give it a rest.
Wow.
Dude, burn out the middle of the shoulder.
I don't want to run through the wall. Damn.
Yeah. So, come on, let's.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. V1 Nismo, Morimoto's Supercharger, clean, tame dual exhaust, BCER coilovers, all of it. Actually, let me introduce. Hey, John. Let's go ahead and do your thing. Yeah. This is John.
Brandon.
Good to meet you.
See you.
Brandon, John. And yeah, he's going to walk you through and let you know everything about it.
Yeah.
BC coilovers on it.
Yeah, ERs.
There you go. Advent wheels on it. The two-piece Z1 rotors with the Z1 boards brake kit.
Yeah.
Z1 clutch kit. Tome dual exhaust. High flow cats. Yeah, the Z1 Supercharger is the main thing.
Yeah.
14 Nismo, like 14 Nismo, man.
Morimoto's.
Oh yeah, you Morimoto's can't forget those.
It's just
Yeah, man.
so unreal.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
How's this feeling? I've never been through it.
Nervous, racking, the whole experience.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What, do you have a Z at home?
No, I have it. G35 sedan.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's what I bought the clutch because it went out.
Okay.
And I bought a clutch kit. First I bought an aftermarket one. I was like, oh, it didn't work. I'm like, oh, they're like, go C1, it's the best. I'm okay.
Well, we appreciate it. Look what you got.
And then look, I was like, I ordered it. I'm like, oh damn. Like I said, it's crazy to know I won. That's
Was that your
thing.
first purchase from us?
No, it's actually, I think second or third.
Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome,
first
man.
one was just the common thing about the adjustable belts.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was one purchase, and then the other one, I think it's a little not tiny part.
Okay.
And then the big purchase was the clutch.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So what year is your Jeep?
03.
So you're coming from an 03 to this.
Yeah.
You plan on keeping it?
Most likely, yeah, but I'm most likely keep it. Yeah.
But yeah, man, the car drives amazing.
Bad.
Check out the It's in really good shape. You got the Z1. That's about the only interior piece on it. But other than
Nice.
that, got you a nice 14 Nismo.
Nice. So unreal. Wow. Thank you.
Now you have 600 horsepower.
Yeah, that's the highest car I have. So,
Yeah. That's awesome, man.
yeah.
Well, congrats, dude.
Thank you.
Hopefully
Thank
you
you
enjoy it.
Thank you.
And we'll see you tonight.
All right, man. Have fun.
All right. Who's driving? I'm
Oh,
driving?
Yeah, you're good. Nah, have fun.
Oh.
Hello, sir. All right, we're gonna go in the parking lot first.
God damn!
Yeah, that's your car, man.
Fucking move! Like, it's a ice out here or what? Jeez.
Yeah, man. gonna go too far over the speed.
You're good. It sounds so sexy.
Oh, dude, it sounds awesome.
We talked on the phone briefly,
Yeah.
like when you first won, and you said you didn't know we were doing a giveaway.
No, I did not.
So tell me the whole story. Like, tell me, you woke up that morning, how did you know you won? Because you didn't talk to us first, you talked to the legal team first.
Yeah.
So tell me that, like, all that, like from the beginning, just that whole story.
So I got calls. I've been having calls for scam, and I'm like, and I saw you guys call. I'm like, there's something that I did wrong. I'm like, I'll just wait until see if they call back, then maybe I'll call them back. And then one night I was just going through my emails, and I saw you won a giveaway, and I'm like, this real? And then the next day I tried to contact you, and they say, yeah, this is real. And I'm like, wow, this is crazy. I didn't know you guys were even giving away the car. I just wanted to buy parts for my vehicle. And thank God I bought some parts. I'm not sure if I was meant to be or not, but I'm here. It's crazy to realize that I'm here.
So I tried to call you.
Yeah.
I did talk to you because you hung up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was you.
I was like, this, them. I'm like, I don't know. I'm gonna hang up. So I'm like,
I texted you.
And then you texted me.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't see your text because I received the whole bunch. Because I'm body tech, and I received messages from the groups, and I'm like, oh, I didn't see it until the bottom. Like, and I'm just like, oh wow, there was a text there. I'm like, and I went through my email first, and then I went through my text. Is this real? And I'm like, oh, it is real. I was like, there was already 8-9 p.m. on my side. You guys were probably here like midnight.
Right.
1 a.m. So I'm like, damn, I gotta call him back tomorrow. And I was like, hopefully it's real. And it turned out to be true.
Yeah. So what did you buy?
I ordered 2 things: the clutch set and then the master cylinder set.
What car do you drive?
All 3 D35.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So you were just upgrading it. Did you?
I buried that clutch. So I was like, I was debating on going through an expensive one or a cheap one. Cheap one didn't work out. So I was debating to which one was a better market. And you guys are the top ones that they recommended to order from. And I was like, why not?
That's awesome,
Try it
man.
out.
You're from the other side of the country.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the name of the city?
Snohomish.
Snohomish. Gotcha. So how's the experience seeing the car in person?
Still unreal, to be honest.
Yeah. Has it sunk in yet? Does it feel real?
To me, it's not something yet.
Yeah.
Until I see it over there on my streets.
Right.
And on my driveway. That would be like, oh damn, this is actually like, it's here.
Yeah.
To me, it's just a lot right now.
Of course. Yeah.
It's like everything, the new experience coming over here, having to see it in person, it looks sexier than pictures.
Right.
I'm like, wow, the experience, the Joe ride you guys do,
Yeah. Yeah. How's your ride with John?
crazy. He's a good driver though.
Yeah, he is. He's been doing it for a while. And
Yeah.
one thing that everybody is going to want to know, what's your plans with the car? Have you even made it that far? Have you even thought about it?
I have not thought about it that far. First, just enjoy it.
Yeah.
It feels amazing. Haven't enjoyed it right now, but I know it would be an amazing car.
Yeah.
Sounds sexy, looks sexy. Just a little nice white bunny.
Nice. So I know it was what sounded like in the beginning, it almost sounded like it was going to be a logistical nightmare to get you out of here. Because when we first talked, you said, I don't know, man, I got a wife, kids, a full-time job. It's going to be hard for me to get out here. Just to let you know, I was not going to settle for that answer. You were coming out here one way or the other.
I was like, they're going to bring me out here somehow.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, I'm not going to be, I want to help you guys out too.
I appreciate that.
I'm like, go for the experience. Let's do it.
Awesome.
Like, let me get out of my bubble. I'm really not talkative. I'm shy of myself.
Gotcha.
So I was just like, you guys got me out of that zone right now. So I'm like, still, that's why everything right now to me doesn't feel so real.
Right.
It's a little wild for me.
Man, it's what's really cool about those moments when you get out of that comfort zone like that. They end up being the memories that you hold on for the rest of your life. They end up being some of the coolest experiences when you get in that little bit of not, I'm scared, but like, I don't know, this is new. I'm a little anxious, almost like that roller coaster excitement.
Yeah, it feels like when my wife was giving labor.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I'm like, I'm excited, but I'm nervous.
Yeah.
But I'm tired. I'm like, I have all these like
emotions. Yeah.
I'm like,
well, I'm glad you can make it out. And so what a day to pick. We did the tour around the facility. I hope you enjoyed it. I always love showing people around. Man, it's such a cool place to work, and
Right.
being able to share that with people is always like something I really truly enjoy, is giving people the behind the scenes and let them know like how much this is still an enthusiast company.
yeah, no, it's great. It's great headquarters. You guys have a great team.
Yeah.
Everything you guys do, like seeing them personally is just like, wow, like
Right.
there's not just one person back there. It's
Yeah.
a big full of, I say army ants, because it's like you guys are all combined making this company keep going and coming up with new stuff, which I didn't know. It's
Yeah, I mean, your car is in 03. It's 23 years old. We're still making parts for it, man.
exactly.
But no, I mean, we did all that. It's cool. And as we're sitting back here talking, there's cars rolling in right now. Everybody's getting the shop ready because we have a whole event going on tonight with the Skyline Invitational. But you're here for the pre-meet. So after this, you're free to do whatever you want. Go check out the car, walk around, check out the show, enjoy a good time. And man, I really appreciate you taking the time coming out. Of course, we're going to ship you the car as soon as you leave here. We're going to button it up. We're going to change the fluids, check the tire pressures, clean it inside and out, make sure it's all good. That way, when you get it, it's exactly as you saw it today. I got one more question to ask you.
Yeah,
Was this a scam?
this was not a scam. I thought about it. I'm like, is this for real? Nah, this is real. This is what, if you guys didn't know it was a giveaway, I didn't know it was a giveaway. I'm here, living it. It's been amazing.
That's awesome.
Thank you guys. And whoever wins the next, another car, just know just come for the experience. It's a memory to come live for it. And thank you guys to the Z1 for giving out cars.
Yeah, man. Perfect. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.